In question 12, write the function that shows the function f of x equals 1/2 to the x being translated. And the first one we're going to look at is 7 units to the right. So I want to look at my helpful hints here, where it has the shift right h units. It tells me that I'm going to put that h with the x. So since we're looking at an exponential function, this function, my parent function being raised to the x, I'm going to have x minus however many units we're shifting. So in this case, we're shifting that 7 units. And when I do that, it's going to look something like this. G of x is equal to 1/2 x to the x minus 7. Okay, so when we're shifting 7 units to the right, we're adjusting the part in the exponent, and even though to the right is positive, we do the opposite, because if you are in my section, we talk about Hank lying. The h part of that is opposite of what we see. Now, the second part, 7 units to the left, okay, so we're moving 7 units, but this time we're moving in the negative direction, which really means we're doing the opposite. So when we write it, notice how my rule says we're going to add the h. So in the exponent, it's going to look like this, x plus 7 when I raise that. So g of x will equal 1/2 to the x plus 7. So there's the difference between the two, between moving right and left, and it's opposite of what you would think to do. Hank lies.